Hello friends, this is unboxing video of Vega Cruiser helmet. This is an open helmet with a key lock. Key lock I'll explain you. Okay, let's unbox this. I bought this from Amazon. Prime membership में यार कुछ 782 rupees का पड़ा था. Okay, so this is box of helmet. Let's take this out. Okay, that's it. This is a kind of bag. I got this, and this is the helmet. Vega Cruiser. Okay, the size is this showing 900 grams plus minus 50. Okay, and this is ISI approved Vega with a matte finish. There's a peak in this helmet. It's a visor, like okay. Normal cushion, not so much, but yeah, it's good for daily rides. And this is about this helmet inspections and all that. The best part is this, the lock. It is like this. You just insert your lock here and you can fix it with your bike. Okay, so this is actually beneficial, and it is in a good matte finish. The actual price is somewhere around 800 to 900, or I guess at 1000 also, but I got this in prime sale or something, and it cost me around 782 rupees. Okay, it's a good helmet at this price. Now let me show you the lock of this. It is a pull lock. Just pull it and take it out. Insert, lock, pull and out. Okay, this good quality. It's Cruiser, Vega Cruiser. Okay, let me wear this once. Thank you. Bye bye.